Let's go through the ingredients for this recipe. Here I have couscous, half cup, 1/3 cup of jaggery powder, handful of raisins and cashews, some cardamom pods and whole milk. Take 3/4 cup of couscous. Let's wash it thoroughly in running water to remove any dirt and impurities. Saute it for 2 minutes. Now, couscous is a plant-based protein which is rich in fiber, selenium and potassium, and it is also very low in fat. 100 grams of it contains 164 kilocalories, 6.3 grams of protein and 3 grams of fiber. Add 1.5 pint of whole milk to it. Mix it well. Bring the milk to a boil. Stir it intermittently. Pound some cashews. Add them. Add the raisins. Pound 6 to 7 cardamom pods. Add 1/3 cup of jaggery powder once the milk has completely cooled down. Mix it well. Now the final step is to add the cardamom powder. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.